Hi, my name is Karen Ralph. I'm the owner and founder of Grassland Gluten-Free Baking, and I'm located in Calgary, Alberta. Starting a gluten-free baking company was a natural progression to my life and work. I have spent most of my life in food and wine. I've co-authored Calgary Cooks, Calgary Eats, and I'm a freelance food writer with a longtime contributor to City Palette and now contributing to Savor magazine. I really saw the need for gluten-free baking when I was traveling and was with a person who had celiac disease. Trying to find something that she could eat was very difficult. And then when I found out that I was gluten sensitive, I was very concerned because I love food and wine. This was a huge setback. I started researching old recipes that were mostly from Spain, Italy, England, and after about 4 months of experiments and ruining a lot of ingredients, I came up with Uber seed crackers. Right off the bat, I took my crackers and my cakes to big dinner parties where my super critical gluten-loving friends were, and I would just put them on the table and not say anything. And the response was overwhelming. People loved them, and within 6 months of coming up with these recipes, I was on the shelves of the cookbook company Cooks, Say Cheese Fromagerie, Empire Provisions, and Cultivator has recently picked my product up. I have 5 main products. I do lemony almond polenta cakes, which are gluten-free. I do an aromatic orange cake, which is a classic recipe from Valencia, which is dairy-free. Pan forte, which means hard bread. It's a classic Tuscan recipe. Biscotti, amaretti, and my Uber seed crackers. The seed crackers are definitely my signature product, and they are unique. They have 9 ingredients. The flax seeds are certified organic and they come from Armstrong, BC, Fieldstone Organics, and the rest of my ingredients are part of the global economy. The crackers are excellent as snacks on charcuterie board with hummus, jam, salty dry meat and cheese for camping, road trips, and hostess gifts. Keep on hand for people who are celiac or gluten-free in your life. They're good for vegans too, and you can enjoy them regardless of your diet. The savory, satisfying flavor and crunch brings people back, and my sales are up. That means I will have to mechanize because I want to keep getting the crackers out. The history of food is the history of civilization, and if everyone can sit down and eat the same thing and enjoy the same meal without feeling like they're excluded or that they're getting something that is less than what other people are eating, then my mission has succeeded. And that is why I started Grassland Gluten-Free Baking in the first place, to make people happy. And just the pure love of feeding people and entertaining is what drives me. And I hope that you continue to support Grassland Gluten-Free Baking. Thank you.